Hey everybody, Felipe Miranda here again, your Southwest Florida Realtor. Today I'm bringing you Wildblue. This is a beautiful, beautiful community located close to everything. 10 minutes from the airport. The North Point entrance to the community here is on Alico Road, so you have the Gulf Coast Town Center right there. The southernmost point entry to the community is Corkscrew, so they're exit off of 75 for both sides, and you have the Miramar outlets, you have Publix, you have shopping, restaurants. Just everything you can want is right around here. I'm going to show you a couple floor plans today. Wildblue is pretty cool because you have 700 acres of freshwater lakes in which you can just have all kinds of fun with. If you like to water ski, boat, you can go out kayaking. Just a really, really cool community. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm going to continue bringing you great content. Enjoy the video. Talk to you soon.
Kick.
I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about Wildblue or any other communities right here in Southwest Florida, please reach out to me. I'd love to help you out. Again, my cell number is 239-994-9807. You can text me, email me. I'm gonna put up my social media information for you. And you know, this is just a stunning community, guys. I mean, just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I really hope to talk to you soon and see you in the next video.